I don't even think we played that bad, if I'm being honest. I think it should be made about officials, but it's just consistency that I'm after. The amount of times that Haaland is grabbing defenders in and out, and it's just seems to be always down to, for me, the consistency of the officiating. I thought we played well in parts. I thought we more than matched them for parts and details of the game. But the one detail that they had that outshined was the quality in front of goal, taking the chances. That third goal was a thing of beauty. It was lightning. Don't even know what happened. It was fucking 1 minute, they're around halfway line, next minute's in back at net. So yeah, missed a couple of big sitters. It's not over though. I mean, it definitely is a momentum shifter, and you definitely say that it's more in City's hands, even though we've got a game in hand. But that game on Saturday now is crucial. And to be honest, the quicker we get Jesus and Smith Rowe back, the better. And Partey, I mean, I thought Jorginho did a job, I'm not going to lie. But, yeah, so unlucky to lose such a pivotal figure just in the build-up to the game, man, do you know what I mean? So, yeah, look, obviously we're down. But Saturday we move. I think Trossard's done enough to earn it. It just needs freshening up a bit, man. Just needs freshening up now. That's what I'd say. Just freshening up. Start Trossard. Be a bit more dynamic with the play. Like, the thing is, when we were playing the football that we can play, we were cutting through them and we stuck to our game, do you know what I mean? So, yeah. Big up the fans always. Thought the fans were incredible. Big up Saka, keeping his nerve of taking that pen and bagging it. Ederson is a fucking prick. Like, why can keepers take that long, get booked, and then not get a second booking for doing exactly the same thing? And the referee were appalling. I'll bring it back to the officiating yet again. The referee was shambolic. It's a fucking joke, man. But yeah, we move. Let's win against Villa. Let's see where we are. Let's see where we are end of this month. Let's get through this month. I feel this month's pivotal. Let's get through this month. Get Jesus and Smith Rowe back. And then that's our time to get on a good run. Let's just get through this month, man. Big up everyone. Keep reds up if you can. Victoria Concordia Crease. It's not over yet. It's not over. Remember, it's not over. Peace.